98 radio should be coming up to 10 mile now.
10-4 coming up to 10 mile.
One radio, I got him. We are on Forest View right now, coming up the beach.
Forest View coming up the beach.
One radio, we cracked
Radio's
out.
going to be northbound beach from Forest View.
Northbound beach from Forest View.
One radio, he's running with a pistol on him, running with a gun on him.
Running with a gun on him.
One in custody, one in custody.
10-4, one in custody.
He's found it, yep.
One radio, I got him. We are on Forest View right now, coming up the beach.
Forest View coming up the beach.
98 radio, gonna be northbound beach from Forest View. He got. Crashed out.
With the gun on him.
Running with a gun on him.
Stop.
One in custody.
10-4, one in custody.
You good. Hey, there's your rifle right there. You hurt, man? Huh? Alright. Come on inside. Go over this way. Okay. We got a phone right here. Alright. Roll on it. Nope, this side. Alright. Okay. You want to stand up, man? We'll get him in my car.
Where's your car at?
Right here.